Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a AAB file for Play Store. So, uh, after that, go to the build menu and then select generate signed build APK. In the previous lecture, you have selected APK for generating APK file. Now, that's time you have to select Android app bundle, generally known for AAB. Okay, then select this one and now press next. After that, if you do not have created a keystore file, then create new. Okay, as like same video in the previous lecture. And if you have created, then select like click on just choose existing button. Okay, now then you have to enter your password and key alias name which is you created in keystore and password. Okay, now uncheck this one, we not need. Okay, now press next, then select release. Do not select debug, only select release. Okay, now click on create. As you can see, our process has been started. Now it will take some time. As you can see, we are generating app bundle. Okay, now wait please. Now as you can see, our signed bundle app file has been generated successfully. You can view it, just click on this arrow icon, then select locate me, and inside this release folder you can find your app file. Okay, now you can check its size. It is this size is 7.46 MB. Okay, so when you are publishing your app on Play Store, then you have need this app file. Okay, you have to upload this one, and you cannot directly install this app file into your mobile or any other device. Okay, if you want to test, then you have to create a release APK file, as like we have created in our previous lecture. Okay, but for Play Store we need only app file. Okay, now this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next lecture.